kids, welcome to Birthday Candyland, and today we have a Paw Patrol bucket filled with surprise eggs. We also have Play-Doh surprise eggs and surprise letters from the alphabet. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. I wonder which toys start with those letters. First, let's open up the surprises inside the Paw Patrol bucket. Our first surprise is Sky. This is Sky as a microlight flashlight. If you squeeze her, she feels really squishy, and she has a light underneath her toes. Here's our blue sparkle surprise egg. Inside we have a cute Hello Kitty character holding an apple. This is an eraser. You can use this to erase your pencil marks from a paper. It's our pink surprise egg, a pink sparkle surprise egg. And inside we have, oh, it looks like Blackbird. Blackbird from Angry Birds. He's inside of a race car. Only the back wheels turn, the front wheels don't turn. Oh, it is a mini collectible figurine of Rocky. Open up our yellow sparkle surprise egg. What could be inside? Looks like Rebecca Rabbit from Peppa Pig. Another yellow sparkle surprise egg. What could be inside? This is a My Little Pony character. If you know who this is, please let me know in the comments section. Here's our purple sparkle surprise egg, and inside is it looks like a tiny version of Chase's police truck from the Paw Patrol. And here we have Shopkins Season 3. Let's open up Shopkins Season 3 and see what we have inside. Let's use my magic wand to open up these little packages and see what kind of Shopkins we have inside. Ready? It looks like Asbury Raspberry from Shopkins Season 3, and this is a common Shopkins that you'll find inside Surprise Season 3 packages. Now let's open up our next surprise blind bag. Oh, it's Molly Moccasin from Season 3. This is actually an ultra rare shoe. So if you have Molly Moccasin, you have an ultra rare Shopkins. Our purple sparkle surprise egg has Mummy Pig from Peppa Pig. I think we're on to our Kinder surprise egg. Okay, this is a giant surprise egg. Inside is a huge chocolate egg, and inside the chocolate egg is a yellow surprise egg, and inside that surprise egg are cool toys. But we don't know what we have yet, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's our chocolate surprise egg inside of a plastic case to protect it from breaking. Oh, we cracked it a bit opening it up, and here is our yellow surprise egg. Let's see what toy is inside. We'll save the chocolate for later. Okay, let's open up this yellow surprise egg. Oh, and it looks like a toy that we have to assemble. Here's some stickers and instructions. And it looks like we have 2 handheld shooters. Cool. So we just need to attach the base onto the top of the shooter. Just slide it in. A little difficult to do, but here we go. And then we just load our shooter, and then we just flick it and it shoots out. Let's assemble our second shooter. I don't really know what to call these. They are little cannons, maybe, firing cannons. So if we add stickers to these little pieces of grass that we have here, we can put our super not scary, cute dinosaurs there, and we can use them as target practice. We'll stand our targets up on our surprise eggs and load up our shooter, and got it. Oh, missed that one. Let's try again. Cool. 2 more to go. Missed it again. One more left. Got it. Okay, now to see what's inside our surprise letters. Which toy starts with the letter A? Let's use my magic wand and find out. Ariel from The Little Mermaid. Ariel's name starts with the letter A. A is for Ariel. Here's the letter B. Let's see who starts with the letter B, and it is Batman, of course. Batman starts with the letter B. Here's Batman. Okay, on to the letter C. C is for Chase. C is for Chase from Paw Patrol. Chase starts with the letter C. And here's the letter D. D is for Donald Duck. Donald starts with the letter D, and so does Duck. Donald Duck, 2 Ds. Cool. Okay, now the letter E. I wonder if this is going to be easy or not. Who starts with the letter E? Of course, it's Everest from the Paw Patrol. Everest starts with the letter E. E is for Everest. F. Look, it's Fifi Fruit Tart. Fifi Fruit Tart is actually a rare Shopkin from the bakery team. And our last letter is G. G is for, let's get my magic wand and find out. Oh, G is for Gollum from Minecraft. Gollum starts with the letter G. Okay, and now let's get our Play-Doh surprise eggs and see who's inside. This is the color pink. I wonder who could be inside this Play-Doh surprise egg who is also pink. Sky from Paw Patrol, cool. Okay, now we have our red Play-Doh surprise egg. Inside this red Play-Doh surprise egg is Marshall! Marshall from Paw Patrol, cool. Our orange surprise egg has Zuma inside. I wonder who is inside the yellow surprise egg. Rubble! Rubble is yellow, and he was inside our yellow surprise egg, and now it's time for our green surprise egg. I wonder who this could be. Do you know? Rocky! Rocky is wearing a green outfit, and he was inside our green surprise egg, and now we have two more left, our blue surprise egg and our purple one. I wonder who's inside the blue surprise egg. Chase! It's Everest! Everest was inside our purple surprise egg, but Everest's outfit is teal. But because her legs are purple and we had a purple surprise egg, I think it's cool that Everest appeared because Everest is part of the Paw Patrol and she's awesome. Thanks for watching Birthday Candyland! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out some of our other awesome videos.